the fish is mixed color here inside, so I'm going to select some blue color because I will match with the pearl and some lapis beads. I'm good, thank you. Yeah, I'm happy that everyone good here. So 3 fish, 3 small cute fish here. Yeah. And let's going to put some small cute pearl. I was thinking if I can put the blonde dog here. Okay. If it's a cat, maybe it will be perfect. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, VB. You can select the gift here. If you like this, you're welcome. I'm happy you like. Is that a blonde dog you made out of pro? Yes. Yes, buy the glass pro, not the freshwater pro. But if you use the freshwater pro, it also work. Just select some shape of the pro similar. Yeah, select some shape pro similar. Here. Okay. Maybe no, just a fish and the pro. And let's select some lapis. lapis 的鼻子在你那里吗？有一包。The dog would looks cute with dog and the paw charm. Oh yes, we have some dog paw and yes, and we can also use the beads to make a dog paw by ourselves. Okay. So the fish I will be just one piece. The 2 pro and here the pro here. Yeah, it is suited to make a blue design necklace. So here this one. Okay. It's going to make a 2 layer, but it's the top is 1 layer, just the second layer is 2 layer. Okay. so longer. Okay, so I will make it the necklace like this. First, attach the piece on the chain directly. It's a simple one here. Yeah. We are a shop that sells the stainless steel chains and the charms. So here we are attach the flower beads charm. Attach it to middle. And here the pearl we want to attach on the chain. We can use the copper wire to help. Fold it. Tight. This way to make a ball pin. This is one of the way that's to make the ball pin by ourselves. Fold it. One, two. Tight. Then use the plier to tighten the top. And fold. Fold. Okay. We can go slow. The top of the ball pin we make it can be stronger. Touch the pearl. Here we can wrap it. After wrap here we can attach it. Yes, use the 0.4. We here use the 0.4 millimeter wire here. Then we can attach the hook tight. Attach the beads on the chain. If you want to make some design, attach the beads on the chain. This will be a good technique. Here the flower, the middle is the flower. Then okay. Here. Wrap it. Okay. Then the fish also we use the jump ring. The plier, flat plier, tight at 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock inside the jump ring to para move it. with this small cute blue fish. Here we want to keep it the distance same, so we'll go to attach it here and close here, open, close, attach here. Yeah. Hi, Fager. Happy to see you. Okay. Then another Pro 2-piece. Here. Fold. And we put the chain. The wire goes through the chain. Tight. And the rubber. Again. Hi, 发哥，中午好。Okay. This way. So it's here, this way. Then we are going to put it here. We want to attach another chain on, so here we cut 2 pieces of the chain before. 1 piece short, 1 piece longer. The short one here. How to attach? First, this flower one is the middle one. Then the chain here also find the middle two middle, put it together. Okay. Then here the sides here. Yeah. So one side we measure it, then use the jumping attach. Okay, open it. We use the piece of the jumping attach the first chain, then another chain also attach. Also attach and close. So one jumping hanger with 3 chain. See? And the another side. Okay. Here. This side. Okay. I think I make a mistake. I should move it a little bit below. No, here mistake. Not like this. I want it loose, so I have to move it 1 centimeter. Here. Okay. Hi, Ada. Okay. Then the other side, here the same. Distance is the same as here. Thank you. Message. Okay, let me check. Okay, I finish here, then I check your message. Okay. So it's a layer necklace. Yeah, by this thinner chain. Okay, we attach the clasp at the last. Here. And here close. Then we can go to shoot. Yeah, it is a chain, looks simple, but then let's see the effect on neck. Okay, so here's the design. Yeah, thinner layer necklace is